Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take a look at the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z Base Edition, and the color which I have with me is the base blue. So let's get started. So I have used the previous version of this OnePlus earphones, which is the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, and the major difference which I noted on the box was the 20 hours battery life written over here and the 17 hours of battery life written on the base edition, as you can see. So let's get started and unbox this and see if I can find more differences. So let's unbox this. A gentle reminder, if you like what you see in my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And so let's get started with the unboxing. So luckily I don't need a cutter, so I'll just open this up. So there's a pull tab. And these are the earphones. So let's keep this to the side and see what else do we get inside the box. So over here we get ear tips, which are small and large. The medium ones are already installed on this. And this is the charging cable, and we get a red cable club card and a quick start guide, and that's it inside this box. So let's keep this box to the side and take a look at the earphones itself. So these are in this packaging, so let's remove this. Pretty nice packaging actually, as you can see. So there's this tape over here, protective cover. They are pretty light compared to the previous version. I can feel that. So I will bring in the previous version for comparison. So the major difference which I noticed is that the volume controls which are on this cable are now on this neckband, as you can see. And the quick switch button, which I really liked, is missing on the base edition. As you can see, it's not there, and the previous version is a little heavier compared to the base edition. And I checked on the website, the base edition is 2 grams lighter, and that's it with the differences. And one more difference which I noted is that the cable on the base edition has a texture to it. I'll put an image because it's not visible on the camera, so I'll put in an image to show you the texture, while the older version does not have the texture. It's just a smooth silicone type finish, and the neckband is quite good on both of them. It's the same. So now I will pair this with my OnePlus device. The pairing process is very easy on a OnePlus device. You have to just switch it on, and you get a notification on the OnePlus device saying tap to pair, as you can see. And now it's pairing. As you can see, now it's connected. So now I will test this out, play some music, check the sound, and get back to you. So now that I have tested the sound quality and also compared them with the previous generation Bullet Wireless Z, I can definitely feel the extra bass, and the sound quality is on par with the Apple AirPods, but with an extra bass, which is good. And one thing which I miss from the previous edition is that the quick switch button, as you can see, it's not there on this. It was a pretty nice way to switch between paired devices. You could directly switch between two devices by just double pressing this button, which is missing. So on the base edition, which is this in blue color, you have to manually go in the Bluetooth settings and connect a new device. So the quick switch feature works differently on this, which is also mentioned on the website. So that is it regarding the comparison between these two. But I really like the sound on this newer base edition. So in the beginning of the video, I forgot to mention that there is a USB Type-C port over here which can be used to charge these earphones. And also one thing is that a 10-minute of charge can give you a 10 hours of battery life if you're using the OnePlus Warp charger, which is their proprietary charger, which is obviously if you have a OnePlus device you can use it, or you have to buy it separately from their website. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. If you have any queries, please post them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, stay safe, and compliments of the season.